these are our Chipotle at home bowls. They look delicious.
That what you just made was better than that Chipotle bowl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tylee. If you're new, if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you guys for watching my content, engaging, liking, all that stuff. I really do appreciate you guys. But today, baby, today we are making Chipotle bowl at home. I have all the ingredients right here. It's a lot, but look, we're trying to save coins. We're in quarantine. I need to know how to make new meals. So this is what we're going to do. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make this at home. You can make as much as you want, as little, whatever works for you, girl. So y'all know we're gonna whip it up. So let's just get into the video. All right, so these are the things that you're gonna need for Chipotle homemade. We about to whip it up, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. We have iceberg lettuce, jasmine rice, mozzarella, shredded cheese. I eat chicken and fish, if you guys don't know, but this is vegan chicken. They like shrimp. I can't have shrimp. Pinto beans, corn. Bae loves ranch, sour cream, green peppers. I almost forgot what the hell these were called. And these are tortilla chips. We have tomatoes, red onions, and then for the avocado, I'm going to use red onions in my avocado. I'm going to show you guys how I make guacamole. So we have 4 things of avocado: black pepper, garlic, cloves, garlic salt, regular salt. I don't know which one I'm going to use, so I have both. Lime juice and cilantro. You can add, replace anything to your liking. You guys always can do that. So I'm gonna prep everything that I'm gonna need. I'm basically gonna start off by cutting everything: lettuce, onions, green peppers, cut out the cheese, cut the tomatoes. That is gonna be the easiest thing when it comes to prepping. And then I will cook everything once all the cutting is done. I feel like it's easier this way, it's more efficient. So let's get cut. Wrong impression. Janae is a vibe, y'all. You guys, I'm literally crying my eyes out. My eyes are red. Oh my, like, sniffing, I'm coughing. Like, can I get a subscribe? Can I get a like? Alright, you guys, so I'm about to cook our chicken and the shrimp. I'm not gonna season the chicken with anything simply because when I put the bowl together, it's gonna have a lot of different stuff already in it, and it's vegan. So I just cook the vegan chicken just like this. And then the shrimp, I add black pepper and garlic salt. And I only do a little bit because I can't really taste. If you guys don't know, I'm allergic to shrimp. So I just do a little bit, and then Trey just season it as he eats it. So, you know, because I've done it before and I made it salty. So I'm gonna go light on the seasoning. Alright y'all, so to cook the rice, this is the same rice that I used in my last video. If you haven't checked that video out, this is just the jasmine rice. You guys can get this from anywhere. And then how I make my rice is I fill this up, I put a little bit of water over it, rinse it 3 times, put it in the rice cooker, put the little button down, and then when it's done cooking, it'll pop back up. Now it's time to make the guacamole. You guys, it's my first time making guacamole, so I don't really know how it's gonna turn out, but you know, I can cook, so we'll see. I'm just going to taste it as I go. That is how I cook. I feel like it's best that way. Just put a little here, a little there, and see it works for you. See what you like. I usually know what taste I'm trying to go for based off what guacamole I had before. So yeah, we're gonna cut this guacamole and see how it tastes. All right, you guys, so I just added salt, butter, and pepper to the corn. Everything is pretty much done. I added butter, salt, and pepper to the rice. The avocado is done. This is what it looks like. And then the last thing that I have to cook is the pinto beans, and it'll only take probably like 3 minutes. It just needs to be warmed up pretty much, but we're all done. And then I'm gonna put everything together, taste test it for you guys, and we are done. Alright y'all, so the food is done. I got my chips on the side, and these are our Chipotle at home bowls. They look delicious. I just put the cheese on top, finishing touches. And then we got our sour cream and guacamole. So yeah, it looks great. I'm gonna test it for y'all so we can see if it tastes good or not. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna put a little bit of guacamole. And you guys, I cooked all this food and I'm kind of not even that hungry. That happens to me sometimes when I cook. I don't know why, I kind of hate it. But I just cooked all this food and my appetite is not as big as I thought it would be. But it's okay, we always got tomorrow to eat on the food. All right, so I put a little bit of guac and sour cream. I'm trying with the chip because I feel like it's always better when you get chips. I should have cut up my chicken more. Let's try. So good.
Well, you ain't got it. I might fuck this shit up.
It's good. Damn. To be honest, y'all, my guacamole could be a little bit better. I don't know what it's missing. It's my first time making it. I don't know, but try this at home. Let me know if you guys like it or not. Let me know if you guys tried it. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy you guys this weekend, and I will see y'all next week. Bye, guys.
That what you just made was better than that Chipotle bowl.
Y'all hear that? Y'all better try. Your girl Ty can cook, okay?
That shit was really
I'm trying to let y'all know. I'm trying to put y'all on game at home recipes.